Welcome to L-RAPiT, the long-read analysis pipeline for transcriptomics. In order to start utilizing the software, all you need to do is click on the link at the top of the installation section. Also found on the GitHub page are approximate run times for each of the programs, in order to help manage your time. Once you have opened the pipeline, you will find that important considerations are listed from top to bottom. These include the pipeline file path. If you select the default /content, your files will automatically appear on the left-hand side under the fourth bar, Files. We now select our file path and clone our pipeline. We can then set variables specific to our analysis, including a publicly accessible accession number for publicly available data, an index file path for a reference genome, and an annotation file path for the same. By default, these are set to the human genome. We can click this arrow if we wish to have the ability to later mount our Google Drive and export to the same, or export our results to our local hard drive. Otherwise, we can simply initialize our variables there, and then select all of the relevant programs. Of note, we have installed all of the programs utilized by the pipeline in a single click. The results will be found within the File section on the left-hand side, within the relevant folder. Enjoy!